Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from Design For You, and I just want to ask you a quick question. Would you like more opt-ins and leads via your landing pages? Well, of course you would. But in this video, I've put together 12 tips that you can use to actually improve your opt-in rates on your landing pages. So, without further ado, let's hop over to the laptop and we'll go through them one by one. Okay, so as you can see, we've come to a typical sort of landing page that I've built for my business, and let's just go through some of the ways that you can check and actually improve your conversions on your landing page. Now, first of all, you need to make it clear and concise and have a single message. So obviously this is all about building a blog and giving you a proven guide to do that. So it's clear, it's concise about what you have actually landed on. Also, you must make it easy to understand. People have got about 5 seconds to actually see what it is. Do I want that? Do I not want that? So make it bold and make it very plain and easy to understand. So also we need on the top is obviously a compelling headline. So do I actually need this? Is it benefit rich? So we've got here, never build a blog without a proven guide. So straight away that gets their attention. And then it says a little subheading which says that generates you maximum traffic and leads. And what does every blog want? They want maximum traffic and leads. So why wouldn't they want this guide? So that gets their attention and says, yes, I want that. That's the benefit from that. So we definitely want to sign up for that. Also, in order to get more sign-ups is to try and have the call to action button, which is down the bottom here, just above the fold. So in other words, when the page loads, obviously I've got this on my laptop, when it loads, the whole page is visible, including the opt-in box and the button. So if they have to scroll down to opt-in, then you're going to reduce the amount of people that will do that because they won't take that action. With the button also, have a contrasting colour. As you can see, mine is a lovely bright yellow on a white background. I've found personally that yellow works better than any other colour. But again, do your testing. Test different colours, everything. Also the button text. A lot of people just put on there, sign in, sign up, submit. Don't do that, because give them a call to action and make it a bit more personal. So please send me my checklist. So in other words, they are basically saying, by clicking this button, you will get a checklist. So that's what I want. I want the checklist. Okay. Also, limit the navigation. A lot of people have a menu at the top or somewhere else that they can actually go to. As you can see here, I've got no other menu, nowhere they can click on and move to a different page. So keep it totally separate. Use visual clues. In other words, with your opt-in box, either have an arrow that points to it, or like I've done here, is actually put it in a border which actually stands out. So it gives it a bit more visibility so that the eyes get directed to it. So they think this is where you've got to sign in. So then come and obviously sign in. So a few more. With the jury's out on this one, but so obviously again, do your testing, is have an image. I've got an image on this one, works very well, but test it with or without the image. You might find that you get more opt-ins without an image than you do with an image. Okay, also limit the actual fields that you've got on your opt-in. So I've got obviously name and best email. Some people just put an email, which is probably going to even be better. So, but I want their name as well, because I want to make sure my emails are personalized with their name, because then I get a better rate when they open their emails. So that's one way of thinking about it. But what you want to do is limit it. Don't try and put phone numbers and other information. Try and limit it. The least people have to actually fill in, then the more opt-ins you will get. If you're going from one page and they've come from your website, try and do a bit of branding across the two. Keep the colors the same. As you can see from my website, if you scroll down, we are using very, very similar colors on the website, and I've transferred those colors across to my opt-in page, so people can see and they suddenly think, oh, I know that's Design For You, that's their branding colors, that's obviously to do with them. It's just a psychological thing. but obviously it helps with your branding as well, and obviously then helps with more opt-ins. And the last thing I'm going to just say is, obviously I've got my social sharing buttons down the side here. So if you've got social sharing buttons, add them to it, because obviously people, if they do like it, they might share it, and if they share it, then more people will get to see it, which obviously means then you're going to get more opt-ins, which is what you want. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget, if you've got any questions, just whack them in the comments below. Obviously like this video and obviously share it if you possibly can. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow, it's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.